Hey guys! This is the routine that I do when I literally have maybe like 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops to get ready. The biggest transformation here is gonna be in the makeup, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit with my hair. So when we're in a rush in the morning, we do not have time for foundation. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna go straight in with concealer. So these are the two concealers that I'm gonna be using. They're both Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. And I use this under my eyes. Whoa, that's a lot. I literally just do that, and that. And then I take my other concealer. It's more full coverage. It's better for blemishes. So I'm just gonna let the concealer sit on my face a little bit and dry out just a teeny bit so I can increase the coverage. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This stuff is the bomb. My brows desperately need to be plucked, honestly, but you know what? We're in a little bit of a lazy girl slump right now because it has been the holidays. You want to definitely go in with a light hand. You don't want your brows to be like overly harsh, and if anything, you can like always go back and do more, but you can't do less, if you know what I mean. And then I literally just take my finger, because that was like so fast and kind of messy. I like smooth out the front so it's like looks properly blended, and then I just literally clean it up with my finger. And now I'm gonna go back in with my sponge and blend out all of that concealer because it's been a couple of minutes. Well, not even, but like we're blending it out now because we are in a rush. I think with the holidays and everything, because I've been eating kind of unhealthy, my skin has not been having it lately. And now I'm gonna set my base with the Maybelline Fit Me. So this is the perfect routine when you're in a bit of a rush, because the makeup, when I'm not like talking, it takes me literally like 7 minutes maybe, and it makes me feel 10 times better, 10 times more hot, and like I'm ready to just take on the day, ready to kill it. So to keep this super simple with as minimal products as possible, I'm going in with my bronzer right now. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and a little eyeshadow brush. And I'm literally gonna take that bronzer as eyeshadow because we're gonna be using this for our bronzer, for our eyeshadow, everything in one step. I'm just putting that all over my eyelid and then under my eye as well, just to add some dimension into my eye. And then I just take a bigger fluffy brush and I'm literally just gonna bronze my face with the same bronzer like that. Do my forehead, and then with that same fluffy eye brush, I just want to like contour my nose like the teeniest bit. Now I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. I'm using this NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. Just gonna do a nice wing like that, connect that into the center, and then just connect it at the bottom there. And that's how you get perfect eyeliner every time. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes with this Shiseido eyelash curler. And for mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof, of course. And now we're gonna go in with a bit of blush. I'm taking this Rare Beauty blush in the shade Hope. It's the powder blush, and then just a fluffy brush. I like to put my blush in the center of my face here because it gives you that really like cute, youthful look, and it really just brightens up the center of your face. And I like to put it like so high that it's like I'm basically putting it on my under eyes. Like that. And for highlight, you can skip this step if you're in a rush. It's not like so dire, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I like to just do a few dots there, and then I will literally blend it out with my finger so quick. I like to just go straight in with a lip tint. So this is the Roman Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade Pink Pumpkin. I'll literally do a few swipes like that, and then blend it out with my finger, and I'll throw like any oil or gloss over it. This is just the Tower 28 lip oil or gloss in the shade Magic, just because I like a glossy lip. And then just quickly finish it off with some setting spray. This is just the Sephora setting spray. And that is the completed makeup look. Very easy, very quick. I'm gonna take a moment and thank Everlasting Fabric for sponsoring this portion of this video. They were so kind to send me this silky ruffle bedding set that has honestly elevated the aesthetic of my room so much. I love how the fabric of the bedding is so soft and smooth. It's made from 100% Australian cotton, and you can really feel how high quality it is. Like, every time I get into bed, I feel like a real princess. The design is also just so gorgeous. It has this really elegant, flowy look, and I absolutely love the ruffled hem and the black edge detailing. It's such a soft, feminine aesthetic, literally everything I've been wanting for my room. And can we talk about the little details? The lace on the sheets is just so beautiful and elegant. Plus, it's not just pretty, it's super practical. The duvet cover has corner ties and a hidden zipper, so everything stays in place perfectly, and the fabric is moisture wicking and eco-friendly, so it stays fresh and is free of any harmful chemicals as well. So if you've been looking to upgrade your bedding, I'm gonna link these sheets in the description box down below, and I would definitely recommend checking them out. The next thing to tackle is this hair. It's like greasy, as you can see, and it's just like, I don't know, it's lifeless, like it's kind of just messy, whatever. So I don't have time to really style it too much, and because I already have straight hair, but it's not like sleek straight, there's some kinks in it from like me sleeping in it. It's just super easy and quick for me to just like straighten it quickly. I just go in with a flat iron and I'll literally like go over in like huge strands, and it takes me 2 seconds to do. I just use this Chi heat protectant in my hair first. And so obviously this hair routine is going to be different depending on your natural hair, but if you naturally have straight hair that's not like, it's straight but it's not like pin straight. I don't know if anyone has like actually pin straight hair where their hair is like this without doing anything to it. So people are like, why do you straighten your hair when your hair is already straight? There's a difference, and it makes you just look way more put together, way more polished when you just go over it quickly with a flat iron. I don't bother to section it, I just go over in huge strands. Again, because my hair doesn't need a ton of like attention to it, this will just make it look so much smoother, so much more sleek. So now that my hair looks so much more sleek and straight, I like to refresh the ends a little bit by putting in some leave-in conditioner. This is the one from Moroccan Oil, and I will comb it through my ends because my ends are looking a little bit dry. And I'm going in with the hair oil. This is from Way. I just got this for Christmas, and oh my god, guys, like the smell is incredible on this hair oil. I just like to put a little bit. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so luxurious. If you guys know Diptyque, like the luxury fragrance brand, it smells like that store. Like, amazing. So now that my hair is looking overall more sleek, but my roots are still a little bit greasy, I just touch up with some dry shampoo. I'm just using the Batiste dry shampoo. Tried and true classic. I've been using this since like middle school. And then just brush everything through. And there we go. Look how much more put together I look with this straight hair. The grease is gone, but the ends are nourished. Like, I'm feeling good. Now we gotta just change this outfit. So I'm gonna be wearing this vest today. This is from Aritzia. Super cute, just like a little brown vest. I also put on my jewelry, put in some hoop earrings and some bracelets as well, and my rings. And for the very last step, I'm just gonna be finishing off with some perfume. Let me put you guys on, okay. Arabian perfume oils. I just jumped on this hype train. I was at a Christmas market and there's a little booth and they were selling these perfume oils, and oh my god, guys. First of all, this little bottle will last you forever because it's an oil and you really don't need much at all, and it smells amazing and it's so strong and so long lasting. This one, It smells like Burberry Her, but better. Oh my god, like it's amazing. And I just put it on my collarbones on the inside of my neck, and then I like to do a bit on the inside of my wrists as well. And like, you can smell me so strongly. It's amazing, guys. I went from that to this, and this literally takes me 15 minutes normally, so you can absolutely look so put together in no time at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from me this upcoming year. And I wish you all a very happy and prosperous 2025. Bye, guys.